One of the biggest mistakes that I see everybody do when they're flossing is first, they wrap it around their index fingers. The floss now starts at the knuckle of your tooth. And so when you're trying to floss the back side of your molar, you actually have to push your fingers past back that molar and then get the floss back there. So a lot of times people say, I can't seem to get the floss behind the back tooth. Well, what you actually need to do is you need to wrap the floss around your middle fingers. So what does this do? So when you wrap the floss around the middle fingers, you can then use your index fingers to actually push the floss back. And so what's the difference? Now the floss doesn't start at the knuckles, it starts at the tip. And so it's much easier to get the tip of your fingers to the back of the molars. So here's the floss. I use my index fingers, I push it in, and then I wrap it behind the back tooth. So once I wrap it behind the back tooth, what do? I will actually pull downwards with both fingers like this, because then it really makes sure that the floss reaches as far down into the gums as possible. Once it's down there, you don't need to saw back and forth too much. The real movement is a scooping, sliding the floss slowly up along the set edge of the tooth and then pop it out. And so this will allow you to really scrape the whole back side of that tooth. Now when you floss in between the teeth, you want to push the other direction, pop it out, and then go back in, pull the other way, and then pop back out. If you find that this was a helpful video, go ahead and share it, link it, like it, and subscribe.